from R to R is defined by function f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 is a onto function or not. Onto function or not, or subjection or not. Okay, so how we can prove it is onto function or not? Okay, so here what do you want to prove? F of x is equal to y. You can prove that f of x is equal to y. Okay, so here x is the what? Domain. Y is the what? Codomain. Okay, codomain is equal to range. So given f from R to R is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. So let y belongs to R. Y belongs to R. Here y is belongs to codomain R now. Okay, R to R. Okay, such that f of y is equal, f of x is equal to y. Here what is the f of x? 2x plus 5 is equal to 1. Plus 5 is going to set out as minus. 2x is equal to y minus 5. X is equal to y minus 5 by 2. Okay, y minus 5 by 2. So here let y belongs to R. There exist y minus 5 by 2 is also belongs to R. Y minus 5 by 2 is also belongs to y. So here f of x is equal to y gamma we want to. So what is the x here? Y minus 5 by 2. Okay, so here f of y minus 5 by 2 is equal, in the place of x you can put as y minus 5 by 2. So here that is equal, f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 mark. In the place of x we can put as y minus 5 by 2. So 2 into y minus 5 by 2 plus 5. 2 to cancel. Then y minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 cancel, that is equal to y. Okay, so f of x is equal f of y minus 5 by 2 is equal to y. Okay now? Okay now? So therefore f of x is equal to 2x plus 5 is onto function. Okay. Next one, bisection. A function f from a to b is a bisection if the function is one-to-one function and subjection. If a function f from a to b is a bisection if it is one-to-one function and onto function. So that is first one, a1 a2 it belongs to a such that f of a1 is equal to f of a2. Then a1 is equal to a2. It is a injection function. Next, second one, f of capital A is equal to b. Okay, f of capital A is equal to capital B. So that is a belongs to a such that f of a is equal to b for all b belongs to capital B. Okay, no? So if a function is bisection if it is become one-to-one function and onto function. Okay, no? So next one, here example is what means a function f from a to b is defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 7. F of x is equal to 3x plus 7. So here we can prove that f of a1 is equal to f of a2. Okay, then a1 is equal to a2. Onto function means let us take f of x is equal to y. Next one, equal functions. Equal functions. Okay, so the functions f from a to b and g from g from b to c are equal functions. Equal functions if domain of f is equal domain of g. Domain of g. The domain of f function is equal domain of g. Okay, then f of x is equal g of x are called equal functions. If any two functions are equal, then their domains are equal, then their images are equal. Okay, are called equal functions. Okay, next, constant function. Next one is constant function. Constant function means here the set of elements of A is mapping with B at only one element. Is mapping with only one element. The range of the function is only one element. Is called constant function. Okay, so a function f from A to B is a constant function if range of the function is only one element. Only one element. Okay, that is f of x is equal to c for all c belongs to capital P. Okay, for example, a is equal to 1, 2, 3, b is equal a, b, c. Okay, then f from 1c, 2c, 3c is called constant function. From A to B. Okay, here the three elements is mapping with only one element.